In this screencast, I'm going to walk you through how to complete a grader project. So once you have opened up MyITLab and logged in, click on Course Content, and here will be the folders for the applications we're working on. In this case, I'm going to click on PowerPoint, and I'm going to we'll say we're working on PowerPoint Chapter 1. So I click on that, and then I click on Activities. After I've done that, I see all of the projects that we have due this week. We're going to go ahead and click on the grader project, and a window will open up. And here's the window that we work off of. You'll see we have download files. That's the first thing we're going to do. Then we're going to work on the assignment, and then we're going to upload our assignment once we are done. And then right here, it's showing you all of the steps that you're going through and their point value. So you can take a look at that first if you'd like. So we click on this download files button, and we have a window pop up, and these are the 3 things that we need to download. I'm going to click this download all files, and I'm going to save it to my computer. Now you could choose to open it, but sometimes you need to go back in. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this, and for now I'm just going to go ahead and save this to my desktop with the default name that it gave me. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and open the folder. And these are the 3 things that I'm going to work off of. Now, you will always have a Word document that has instructions at the very end. And that is what you're going to do. It's going to give you step by step what you're going to do for the assignment. So if we go ahead and open that up, it's going to open up in Word. Sorry, I have 2 monitors, so it's going to open up on the other side here. Okay, so here is our instructions. You'll want to go ahead and print this out, or you can toggle back and forth if you would like. So you'll see for this first one it says Start PowerPoint and then download this file. And if we go back to our zip file, we can open up the PowerPoint right here. And then from there on, you are just going to follow these steps step by step. Now, one thing you may need to do, I've had students run into problems before because this is still a zip file. You may need to go up here to the top and extract all files. This is only the case, this button right here is only there if you're using Windows 7. If you're using a previous version, sometimes what you need to do is just right click on the folder. So if I go back to my desktop and I find this folder and right click, you should also be able to extract all here. And then you want to pull your files from that extracted folder, not the zip one. In fact, I just recommend deleting the zip folder once you've already created a new folder. Okay, so once you have then completed your assignment, so we have opened that PowerPoint and saved our PowerPoint. Let's just go ahead and open it up really quick. You will then work on this PowerPoint presentation, making all the changes that it asked you to do, and then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and save it. And I'm just going to save this once again to the desktop. Once we have that completed, we are going to go back into this window, and now we are going to upload our completed file. We're going to browse for our file, which I had on the desktop, so it should be down here as a PowerPoint presentation. There it is. And hit upload. And this will take a little while for it to upload. Okay, once that is complete, you must hit the Finish Submit for Grading button. It's down here at the bottom and it's up here at the top. So I'm going to click that. And it says grades are not yet available, your assignment is currently being graded. Then we can return to course content. So then if we go back into course content here, we can now go into our grades. Let's go into the custom view of our grades. and scroll down to PowerPoint Grader Project 1. Now I didn't actually make any changes to this, so my score is going to be 0. Your score should show up right here. Now if you want to view your submission, and this is key because a lot of times you are not going to get 100% the first time you do a grader project, you are welcome to go back and redo the grader project as many times as you like. So you can submit it as many times as you like. So if you want to view what you did, do this down arrow here and click on View Submissions. And from here you'll see today I submitted something. And now over here it's going to say here's the max points, excuse me, and here's the obtained points. So as I made no changes, obviously I got 0 on everything. Actually somehow I scored 2 points. Anyway. So you can quickly see which of the instructions, which number of instruction you did not get correct, so you can go back and try it again. Now there are a couple other things you can look at. Here is a summary report. If you click on this, and you can click this arrow over here and it shows you what you did not get right. This will only show you what you did not get right. So it's a really quick little summary. The other report that I personally like best is this markup report. And when I click on here, there will be X's everywhere that you got something wrong. And PowerPoint's a little different. It's a little easier to see in Word and Excel, but you'll see here's an X and here's an X down here. So if I click on that, it actually dives down for here's instruction 3. This was the instruction, and it's broken into 3 parts, and it's saying all 3 I got wrong. So you may have gotten part of this question right, but not all of it, and that's why I like this report, because it very quickly shows me exactly which pieces I did not get right. So then once you've seen what you did wrong and you want to go back and do it again, you can start off the document you last had, your last, in this case, PowerPoint presentation. You can just make the changes you need to make, or you can start completely over if you like. And then once again, you just go back into, go back into your course content, back into your folder, and then you would just, once again, upload that file and submit for grading. And like I said, you can do it as many times as you like. And that is the conclusion of the screencast on grader projects.